Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making something absolutely royal, Lucknowi mutton biryani. Unlike South Indian biryanis, this one is fragrant, subtle, and made without onions or tomatoes. Let's get started. First, we're going to prepare the mutton masala. Take fennel seeds, cinnamon, mace, cloves, cardamom, and pepper, blend them into a coarse powder. This is our fragrant masala base. In a pan, heat some oil and add ginger garlic paste. Fry it well until the raw smell disappears. I've taken half a kilo of fresh mutton and added it in. Sauté it well so it absorbs all that flavor. Now add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and salt to taste. Mix in 1 cup of yogurt and stir well. Then add the ground mutton masala we prepared earlier. Keep sautéing until the mutton is cooked through and full of flavor. Once done, keep it aside. Next, let's cook our basmati rice, only about 75%. Add a bay leaf and a piece of cinnamon while cooking for extra aroma. Now, carefully remove the mutton pieces from the pan and strain the remaining stock. We only need the stock, the spices have done their job and infused beautifully. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more traditional Indian recipes. Time to prepare the masala for the rice. Take fennel seeds, cumin seeds, cinnamon, and cardamom, blend them into a fine powder. In a pan, combine 1 cup of milk with the strained mutton stock. Add the freshly ground rice masala to it. Now, add the cooked mutton pieces into this mixture. Give it a good stir. Check for salt and adjust if needed. Gently add the cooked basmati rice on top. You can add a pinch of food color if you like that vibrant look, it's totally optional. Finally, drizzle some ghee on top for that rich finish. Seal the pan and cook the biryani on low flame for about 20 minutes. Let all those royal flavors come together. And there it is, your aromatic, creamy, and truly regal Lucknowi mutton biryani. A perfect dish to wow your family or guests. See you in the next one.